She doesn't know where y'all are. Don't touch her. Don't touch her. Go walk around front again. Callie, move so Sissy can do it.
Do it.
Do your dance for her. 1, 2.
1, 2, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop out.
Then do your feet. There you go, Cadence. Good job. Out and in. Do it again. There you go. Now do your up and over. Yay! Don't touch her. Leave her alone. Everybody wave to the camera. Say hey.
Hey!
What's your baby?